I'm back. Welcome to my channel. Again, this is Bob. So, for today's vlog is that i-discuss natin kung paano gamitin yung fire extinguisher using acronyms, no? TPAS. TPAS, T-P-A-S-S, no? So, yan yung acronyms para madali nating tandaan kung paano gamitin yung fire extinguisher. Alam naman natin ang fire extinguisher is napakahalaga sa lahat. Dahil pag mayroong mga minor fires sa bahay nyo, sa kitchen nyo, o sang sulok man doon sa bahay nyo, ay kaya nyong i-combat or apulahin yung sunog using the fire extinguisher. Now, kung wala kayong idea kung paano gamitin yung fire extinguisher, so how do you fight the fire in your house? No? So, mayaman ka man, mahirap ka man, o kung sino ka man, hindi namimili yung apoy. So, that's why, kailangan lahat ng tao is marunong gumamit ng fire extinguisher, no? So again, para madaling matandaan, tandaan lang yung acronyms, TPAS. So as I mentioned, para madaling matandaan, tandaan lang yung acronyms, TPAS, no? Stand for twist pin, the break, the safety cell, and unlock the extinguisher, no? So mga bagong fire extinguisher kasi mayroong nakasil yun. So ano mo lang yun, twist mo lang yun. No, and then P stand for pull out the safety pin from the extinguisher. No, so may pin yun, pull out mo lang. A stand for aim at the base of fire or button sa may pinakailalim, no, of the fire, and stand, take note only 6 to 8 feet. No, again 6 to 8 feet. And then S stand for squeeze the lever to discharge the extinguisher agent, no? So dapat pigain mo 'yon para ma-discharge mo yung agent, aim to the base of the fire, no? So next is that switch the nozzle from side to side, no, until the fire is totally extinguished, no? So ibig sabihin, i-aim mo yung nozzle, squeeze mo yung nozzle side to side, no? Sweep the nozzle side to side. So para at least mamatay yung source of fire. So again, napakadali lang tandaan yung, or napakadali lang gamitin yung fire extinguisher using acronyms TPAS, no? So again, T stand for twist the pin, break the safety cell, and unlock the extinguisher. P stand for pull out the safety pin from the extinguisher, and then A is aim the base of the fire. Aim at the base of the fire and stand, take note on this, and stand 6 to 8 feet, no? And then squeeze the lever to discharge extinguisher agent, that is ACE, no? And then my ACE pang isa is that sweep the nozzle from side to side until the flames are totally discharged. So ngayon guys, kuhanin ko yung fire extinguisher dito sa bahay, no? Ayan, doon sa nakalagay sa dulo. Ayan, no? Ano ba? Yeah. So, ito yung fire extinguisher natin. Ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano siya gamitin, no? So as I mentioned guys, mayroon tayong acronyms para madali nating matandaan kung paano gamitin yung fire extinguisher. So ito yung example ng fire extinguisher, no? Huwag nating alamin kung anong classification ito. So i-discuss na lang natin yan by the next vlog natin. So again, as I mentioned, TPAS lang yung acronyms natin. So ito wala na siya yung cell niya dahil nagamit na namin to nung sumiklab yung wire namin sa labas. So kung halimbawa twist, no, ang nakalagay dito is twist pin, break the safety cell. So ito yung safety cell niya. So ito yun guys, so yan. So na-break na to, no, binreak na nung gumamit nito. And then pull the pin, no, P is stand for pull the pin. So pag sinabing pull the pin, ganoon lang, pupull mo lang to. And then so ito na yung pin, no, ito na yung pin niya. Actually yung seal niya nakatali dito yan. Tapos kailangan mo i-pull the pin. Pull the pin. So ito na, pinull ko na yung pin niya. And then aim the nozzle to the base of the fire, no? So ang nozzle is ito. So ito, dapat i-aim natin ito sa base of the fire. take note on the distance is 6 to 8 feet, no? Ganyan. Yan. No? Para pag pinrest mo to, so ito, pinrest mo to, ibig sabihin, lalabas yung agent. No? Yan yung aim. Yan yung A is stand for aim the nozzle to the base of fire. And then, squeeze the lever to discharge the extinguisher agent. No? So, press mo to. No? Press mo to, squeeze the lever. Ito yung lever niya. Press mo yan. Nakatutok ka na. And then, press, no? And then squeeze, no? Ibig sabihin, iganyan mo doon sa base of the fire. Okay? So, ganun lang dali mo gumamit ng fire extinguisher. Okay? So, again, ulitin natin, i-recap natin. So, mayroon cell na dito, no? Problema, nagamit na kasi itong fire X namin. No? So, may cell dito yan, no? Nakaganyan, no cell, no? So, ano mo lang yung, tanggalin mo lang yung cell na yon, no? Break the safety cell, no? And then pull the pin. At ito yung pin, no? Pull the pin. Okay, so, and then, aim the nozzle, aim at the base of the fire, no? Yung nozzle. I-aim mo yan. Tapos, press the lever. Ito. Pag-press mo ng lever and then squeeze side to side until the flames are totally extinguished. No? So again, yung stand natin dyan is 6 to 8 feet. So ito yung example kung paano gumamit ng fire extinguisher in actual fire. No? So tingnan nyo guys kung ano yung distance from the fire into your location. So again, as I mentioned during my demo is that only 6 to 8 feet lang yan, no? And then aim the nozzle to the base of fire and then squeeze side to side. So ayan, sana marami kayong natutunan sa vlogs natin for today. So hanggang dito na lang. Kung sa mga viewers ko, members, maraming salamat sa inyo. Sana marami kayong natutunan sa vlog natin for today. I'm out and I'll be back for another interesting topic. Bye-bye.